came home from work, feeling drained. Heard a noise in the cupboard, what was I to gain? My friend said, hey, what's with the tape? I said, open it up, but if it's a rat, you're the one to escape. And the bird flew out like a mystery in flight. Follow me to the door and into the night. No explanation, just a strange delight. The bird in the cupboard, a story to ignite. Was it a secret door? Maybe it was searching for more. A place to hide, a place to rest. But why the cupboard? Only the bird knows best. The bird flew out like a mystery in flight. Followed me to the door and into the night. No explanation, just a strange delight. The bird in the cupboard, a story to ignite. We laughed and we wondered at the strange event. A bird in the cupboard, a memory to invent. Maybe it was a sign, a message in the air, but the bird just flew away without a care. Now I'm left with questions and a story to tell about a bird in a cupboard and a mystery to sell. It's a tale of the unexpected, a twist of fate. A bird's visit, a memory that won't abate.